Cynthia, so what are we going to do today?
Meal prep.
You gotta talk louder than that. What are we going to do today?
We're going to do meal prep.
Awesome. Why do you do meal prep?
Because it makes life easier later.
It's our favorite thing in the world to do for like a Saturday.
Woohoo!
Not at all.
No.
So, first thing we need, what?
Clean the kitchen.
Clean the kitchen. Banana hands behind us. And we need
Aluminum baking pan.
aluminum baking pans. So, we'll get that done. I'll clean the kitchen. You're going to walk to do that and get a birthday present for Eden's friend. Eden's over there. And then we'll get meal prep and you'll get to watch us do it because I know you're excited about that.
Yep.
Banana hands here. Let's see banana hands over here. And there's the other banana hands. And this banana hands is in the bad light. I'm not sure if I can get her. All right, let's go. All right, we're cleaned up, so I'm gonna call Cynthia because there's some meat over there. I'm gonna see how she wants it cooked. Let's put her on speakerphone. She has no idea. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Kids and tripods don't mix very well. Shh, on the phone. Hey, there's a pork on the counter. How do you want it cooked?
I was gonna fry it like ground beef.
Okay, so just thaw it and fry it. There's nothing needs to go in it?
I would chop up onions and put onions in it.
Okay, cool. I will do that.
I would do that with the ground beef as well once the pork is done.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay.
See you in a bit.
Want to talk?
You want to talk?
Bye. Oh.
Mommy,
Yeah?
I miss you. I
I'll
miss you.
be back soon.
She'll be back soon. Let's say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. Stuff set up. Now I got a kid that has to go out to a birthday party. We got no car, so we're gonna ride bikes. It's a few blocks away. So now we got a kid that needs to go to a birthday party and no car. So let's go. We're doing that. Right, Eden?
We're biking.
We're gonna stop up here. I just cut onions, but let me tell you a story about one of the houses we lived at. My office upstairs, whenever anyone would cut onions, I say my wife, because usually her, because the kids were little. But when they cut onions, I'd be crying in my office. And like, it took me probably like, how many weeks did it take to figure that out? It took us like a long time to figure out why I'd be suddenly crying and unable to like do anything in my office for like an hour. Get that straw out of there. Anyways, that's why. Onions up in the office. That one right there is asleep at 5:30 at night, so that doesn't bode well for bed, but we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna end meal prep there. That's potato soup made for tonight and half to freeze. That's 3 lasagnas made, and what'd you make for Lorelai?
Vegan lasagna.
Bunch of vegan lasagnas already went downstairs while I was out doing the car and stuff. And later on, when we feel like it, tomorrow maybe tonight, we'll talk about just how the meal prep went and what didn't go well this time. It's the first time we've done it in a while, right?
Oh yeah, like a couple years.
Probably the first time in years that we've done it. We used to do it a ton at 2 houses ago, and it was great. There was only 3 of us then, though. We didn't have the 3 of us? No, Lorelai was, but Lorelai was a little tiny baby. And Cheese Stealer you got to see wasn't even around. So, yeah, we'll talk about that later. Enjoy. Right, just walking home from editing the meal prep video and realized we never gave you an update. And you know why we didn't give you an update? Because we were so sick for an entire week after we did the meal prep video. So, I'm going to tell you, meal prep saved our bacon last week. I was sick for the first few days. My wife literally just like popped stuff in the oven that we had already made. She was sick. She's still a little sick. I just popped stuff in the oven too. It was great. I'm just thinking, as I was watching, I was like, hey, we didn't have any of the lasagna yet. So, lasagna tonight. Meal prep was awesome. You should do it. Do it once a month. Sit down. We freezer. We didn't do this last time. We do some freezer meals. Throw them in the throw them in a big Ziploc bag. And when the time comes, just toss it in the crock pot. You're good to go. So, meal prep was awesome, and it saved our bacon when we were all sick. Ciao.